On this video, I'm going to review Meguiar's PlastX plastic cleaner. I am Stephen Wimberley, and this is Working with Wimberley. Just wanted to show you guys a comparison between my left tail light, which is pretty clear, and the right side, which is hazy. I'm going to show you all a product I like to use if you have tail lights that have started to get a little foggy and they're not as clear as they used to be. And this is the product. It's Meguiar's PlastX, and this side I've already done, and I'll show you. If you look into the tail light, you can see the reflection of the bottle. Now I'll go to the hazy side that I haven't done yet, and when I put the bottle up against the tail light, you can see how that reflection isn't very clean at all. So I'm actually going to show you in real time how easy this is to apply. You pretty much just wipe it on and buff it off like a wax, and it works great. Okay, here's that tail light again. I'm going to put the bottle up against it, and you can see how much clearer that reflection is. And that's all it takes. I went over it 3 times on this side and 3 times on this side. And if you're not satisfied, of course, you can do it more than that. Keep doing it till you get the results you're after. But this is a quick, easy fix to get the cloudy lights looking clear again. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment. God bless you all.